What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Lauren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis niyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo akong sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan.
Nananawagan po kami sa lahat po ng ating nakikinig ngayon. I'm in the Senate with the other senators. We're having a caucus. Nabalitaan po namin na allegedly may mga taga-NBI na gustong pumasok. Nakita na nagbabarena ng pinto galing ng walls galing dun sa GSIS side. So we have our security here. Papasalamat kami sa PNP, outside and inside meron. Nandito ang Marines, but ito po ang emergency. Nagkaputukan na po. May report ako from the Sergeant at Arms. So NBI is denying na tao nila, pero nagkaputukan na. So we don't know what's happening. Everyone's locked in their rooms now. We cannot go out. We cannot secure our other staff. Senator Bato, Senator are together. Walang sumasagot from the government, from us. This is the Senate of the Philippines. This is the Senate of the Philippines. May putukan na po dito. So sa lahat ng nakikinig, please, DND, DILG, what is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening, but I do not know if I can keep my people safe here. I'm willing to go out. I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please help us. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat po, kinonfirm ng ating Sergeant at Arms na nagkaputukan na po. Many senators here have the numbers of the AFP Chief of Staff, etc. We're trying to get in touch, no? So far po, nagpe-perform yung Marines dito, yung USAA, yung police sa labas. But inside the building, we do not know what's happening. I'm sorry, I have to do it this way. Hindi po namin malaman kung ano nangyayari. So, I'm relying on your prayers po, and I'm relying kung may nakikinig from the government here, what is happening po dito sa Senado. We have received the article of impeachment po. It is here. We are having a caucus how we will address that. So why is this happening at bakit may putukan nga dito? Please, someone respond, call us, let us know what's happening. To update po to update. I'm sorry I have to update you this way. Hindi po ako makalabas sa media because the report so far is that there were agents na sumabay sa media and claiming to be media. So there are now more than 200 sa labas, naka-barricade yung ibang doors. But I will use this medium. Sergeant at Arms, PNP, Marines, dadating si Sec Remulla, please escort them, please allow them in. Dadating po si Sec Remulla ng DILG with one of the PNP. It is not them attacking us. Allow them in, isa-secure daw ang building at tayo. But I just want everyone to know, ito pong grupo na nandito, we're not going to leave each other, we're not going to leave Senator Bato. May agreement na, we're still looking at the Supreme Court decision, but his legal remedies have not been exhausted. Sabi ng Supreme Court, binibigyan ng 3 days to comment. So we are relying on the law, relying on the Constitution, we are relying on the word of the NBI na hindi papasukin ang Senate na walang coordination. But again, nagkaputukan na po dito. We cannot let this pass. So USAA, I'm trying to call you, papasukin nyo po si Secretary Remulla, he's here to help.
Sige.
Secretary of Interior, make a statement.
Sorry na. Mic lang, sir.
Napalakasan boses, sir. Thank you.
Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ng nangyari. From chronology of events, at approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number 2, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number 3, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number 1, to secure the senators. there is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. Let me make that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive
First
po?
and foremost, we thank God that everyone's safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Isidoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief PNP Narcotics is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information, parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we smelled and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirmed na may shooter, hanggang dun lang. By the time tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, but we're on our way, make sure na papasokin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado, the building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even a building, it's GSIS, but it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo mag-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight, no? I'll be here and we'll brief you further, no? So we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo, we'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff, no? Not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure nga that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung sino o ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So we cannot answer that with any witness.
Paano po nakapasok? Paano po nakapasok?
Sir, usa yung una nagpapatok warning shot.
Warning shot, Sa gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay, that is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. But we told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm.
No questions, sir.
No,
Stop
it's okay
tayo.
questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there's a presumption of regularity na hindi ito gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the Secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assures us na magiging independent at no holds barred investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sabi po kasi ni Secretary Mendoza, sir,
Do
SecDong.
not ask questions that are
How about
leading.
Sen. Bato?
Please do not ask
Senator Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Nagbibigyan na lang sila ng details.
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay, please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir, kay Nikita?
You cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot stop answers for that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok,
We
sir?
don't know either. We have to review the
Sir, wala rin nag-pursue, sir, wala nag-umabol.
protection ng number one number one sa akin.
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa.
Tapos di pa
Ongoing pa.
naman
There's two buildings. So it's ongoing and we don't want to also, what you call this, telegraph dun sa investigation. But we're all doing what we can. And Usa is there. And the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions ni SIL.
But the Senate is safe.
Wala pa, sir. Kahit isa, sir.
Senate is safe, sir?
All the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that other non-essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting nga coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes,
We have FB Live.
Meron kayong videos, please submit it to us for our investigation.
Sir,
No one send the question.
Pero persons of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
Sen, how about the articles of impeachment po? Kamusta? Was it secured?
It's secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano nasa constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedence din to. This is the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially the Commission Secretary. So I just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang constitution, ano batas, ano precedence, susundin natin.
SP, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that is now. But I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe. You know, and at first, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to do it.
So categorical safe na ang Senado?
Hindi namin masabi kasi I mean, it's secure. It's secure.
Secure.
But
All senators are secure.
All senators.
All senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
I think we were complete sa
Majority.
13?
Except
Chief. 12.
Anyone from the minority there. Parang wala naman yan. Unless may nasa opisina. Inside the...
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yeah.
Except for Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Senator Bato. Senator Bato.
Senator
How about Sen Robin?
upstairs.
Yes, also here. Also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last 3 days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang
We
kayo?
coordinate muna with the PNP.
I will
Advise them.
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators.
Okay.
Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that call.
Okay.
And I will make sure that they are safe to go home.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.